And here comes Ben. There's Ben. Go on, Ben. Let me close the gate, sir. Okay. All right, ladies, we're gonna go up on the hill.
Are we gonna go up to the top?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So here we go. Come on, follow. That's the transitioning one right there in the orange, not orange, pink. I think you know where we're headed. It's not too terribly difficult. There's Ben driving, there's the cows, there's actually the best one in the group, but she's all attitude. I'm almost tempted to give her a name, but I can't. See, the grass probably needs to get hogged one more time before winter. Come on, cow! There's a cow over there. Let's go, mama, baby cow. That's not bad. I don't want to get whacked by anything, actually. Okay. No, I think I hear one right behind me. Oh! And for those who need translations, what they're saying, it's about time. See, there they are, right behind us. It's a beautiful day, man. Look at that, clear. Not a cloud in the sky. The poor old tree. There's a real old tree there that's slowly dying.
And it's cool.
Yes, it is cool. I wonder, Ben, what happens if we just wait for all of them to show up before we take out the feed? Do you reckon that they'll all stop running and just go slower? You reckon they'll continue to run? Huh?
So one more time?
Oh, well, okay. Don't listen to me there, Ben. Ah, never mind. I'm wasting pure genius. Hey, when you order earbuds, do they come with the charger?
Yeah.
Okay.
They just don't come with the block.
What's the block?
Depending on, like, are you talking about like AirPods, or are you talking
Earbuds, yeah, AirPods, whatever those are.
Yeah, they do. They just don't come with the charging block.
What is it charging? How do you charge them?
Well, I mean, you have the USB thing stuff. So.
Right. So you need two USB cords?
No, it comes with the cord. It comes with everything about like the charging block, but you don't need to worry about
What is a charging block?
That's the block that you plug it into.
Then how's it going to charge if I can't plug them in?
I mean, you already have the USB thing.
I got USB things, Ben. Okay, I know I plug one into USB, then there's a USB-C thing.
Yeah.
What does that end plug into? Look at them run. What does it plug into?
You got to buy like a special port. The USB-C.
You're telling me I can charge them with what it comes with. How do I charge them? How do I connect it?
Like, did you already buy it? Did you already buy one?
I got something coming, yes.
What generation?
I don't know, Ben. But how do I plug it in to charge?
With the stuff that you already have. You already have everything.
Ben, I don't have anything in my hand.
No, I mean like...
It's over that way.
You already have the plug-ins necessary to charge it.
Right. I need to know where I plug in the other end of the cord. Over that way, Ben.
Show me what you got whenever.
Oh, God. Okay, you tell me you know what I'm getting. I'm getting 2 earbuds.
Yeah. Move, 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 move.
Cal's dancing for you, Ben. Or she's telling you she wants to hurt you bad. I don't know which one it is. Okay, let's come here. Let's go ahead and... All right.
Yeah, of course you're the first one up here.
Yeah, no, Ben.
These gloves.
You may want to try this end.
Is that, yeah, I think you're right. Is that in? Yeah.
There you go. There you go, Ben. That's it. You show them who's boss, and it ain't them. It's not. You had it 2 days ago, Cal. You can't be starving like that. There you go, Ben.
Thank you.
Okay. You guys good? You happy? You happy? Okay. Hop on in, Ben. Now back to this charger thing you're not describing. I got these 2 little things. Do they plug into the cord?
Oh, what?
The 2 earbuds that plug into your ear, do they plug into the cord?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, they do.
Okay. All right.
But it all...
Go that way, man. Let's get a look at all the cows. Ben's turning around to see all the cows. Okay, stop right there, Ben. Okay. Is there a cut on that? No, I don't see it. There's cool cow. You see the cool cow over there with the white streak and the white on the tail. That's both mine and Ben's favorite. All right. Well, let's slowly head on back, Ben. You want the gloves?
Yeah.
Or you want me to just save them here?
Save them right there. Man, they know how to get what they want.
Yeah, well. Typically, I've been a lot harder with them, but since I'm here half the time, basically.
Such a beautiful day.
What?
I said it's such a beautiful day out today.
Yes. But what you're saying is there's a block or something you can get for the earbuds.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's also depending on what generation you got. I'm not sure if you got the newest one or the older one. The newer ones require USB-C. Like the,
That's what it said.
yeah, USB-C. Yes, but it will come with the cord.
Comes with a cord.
And you can plug it in to it. Yes.
Okay, there's a slow cow right there, everybody. Yeah, they're eating, cow. Get on over. Okay. So do you put those? Does it come with something that you put them in or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like a case?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So you plug the case in to the USB cord.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I understand. Okay.
And to make the earbuds last all day, what I do, I have one in and then one out, and that one's charging, and whenever that one dies, you take it out, put it in, and then you take the other one out and put it in, and that one charges again.
Okay, and how long is yours, does it typically last?
Honestly, like 5 hours.
This said 20, but okay.
No, like, so both, well...
Yeah, Ben, it'll be whatever it is. It's not...
You got the newer generation. Mine's the older generation.
Yeah, I know. This said noise canceling.
Yeah, you got the pros.
Okay, I got the Pro. So that must... Huh?
I thought that old age already came with that.
Yeah, it kind of does, Ben. Yeah, It did, but when I went looking for them, it was yesterday was their super duper deal day or whatever.
I know what you're talking about.
So I got them so they'd be delivered today so I can charge them tonight. The problem is when I wear this right here, the camera around my neck, my stuff keeps popping off and it gets infuriating.
Yeah,
that's the only reason I got them.
And honestly, I love AirPods. They're like one of my favorite things. But I also love headphones because
you still have your AirPods, right? Yeah. The nice thing about the headphones is when it's cold, that
it warms your ear.
Absolutely. However, right now I'm in the cab. And since you set up my Bluetooth radio phone thing, thank you very much. I'm in there listening, and it's I'm doing okay, Ben. You know,
you already got the built-in heat.